Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about Git tagging. Tag is nothing but a reference to create a specific points in the history of your repository. So when it comes to the GitHub, so here branches, right? So same way there is a tag to simply uh, to describe the tag. So whenever your code is completed, so you are going to be release that code. So that time you are going to be created the tags. So my code is stable. So you that code you can use it for ready to release to the next level or for the production like that. So that time you are going to be created the tags. So whatever the histories of your history of your commits, right? So for that final commit, it will be created the tag. When you create a tag, it will take that latest commit in the history. So for that history, for that commit, it will be created the tag to simply say. Suppose when you say git log hyphen hyphen one line hyphen so this is when you create a tag, the tag is created for this commit ID. So whatever the code it have, so it should be created the complete history of this commit. To simply say, a tag is nothing but a represent a version of particular branch at the moment in time. So some people will ask what is the branch and what is the tag. So branch is simply lightweight movable pointer, one of these commits. A branch is represented separate thread of development that make concurrently with the other development efforts on the same code branch. When you create a branch, so same way, however, we are going to be created the branch. So in the branch, we are making enhancement of your changes. So once the changes are done, so you are good with that code. That time you can create the tag. So from the branch, you are going to be created the tags. So, so when it comes to the code, so to check the tags, the command is git tag. Okay, so currently I don't have any tags. To see the list of tags already created the tag, the command is git tag. It will be display the tags. So currently even my remote repository also doesn't have any tags. There are no tags for this one. So my assume like my code is ready in the development and the master branch everywhere. Let me switch to the master branch. Let me switch to the git develop branch, git checkout develop. Even my develop branch also doesn't have any tags. So my development is ready. I am going to create the tags. To create the tag, the syntax is git tag tag name. Tag name should be something like release version number, like that people will follow. Okay, the tag name should be anything. So I am giving my initial release version v1 1.0. Okay, so command is git tag and the tag name. Tag name is version v1.0. Like this we can create. If you check now git tag, see one tag is created. So when you show this tag, what this tag having? So git tag v1.0, the command is the latest commit ID. This one, this commit ID head the development and the master. The same commit ID it having this tag information and the develop branch and master branch, everything it have. Okay, if you want to give the meaningful information, annotation annotated tag, so you can use like this also, git tag hyphen a version number hyphen m. You can give the message also. This tag is created for release 1.1 v1.1, something like this. Now if you check git tag, you have two tags. This tags currently in your local only. So git tag, it will show you the tags list of two tags we have currently. If you show now git tag git show, tag name, it will show you the tags. So this tag is created for release 1.1. So some commit message we are giving. Okay, this is the commit ID. So we can say this one as a code base. Okay, so the merge and the author and the date, everything. This is the commit message. Okay, like this we can mention everything. Now this, if you want to move this tag to the remote repository, so you just need to use git push origin tag name. The command is git push origin and tag name. If you give this one, it will push this tag to the remote repository. So still it is not pushed. So now it is pushed the new tag. Okay, see, if you refresh now, see version v1.0, this tag is created. This tag having the files and the commits. Okay, everything it should be, whatever information it have till now, so it have that information of the of those files, everything. So like that you can, if you want to create, if you want to push another tag, same, you just mention the number and it will be pushed to the remote repository. To push the remote repository of the tag, git push origin and the tag name. So this will be taking some time. The checksum means this commit only. So whenever you created the tag on that branch, it will be take the latest commit ID. For that commit ID, it will be created the tag. Even if you go to any shopping mall, if you take something, it will be attached some tag. Means that is the like a reference. So if you see the tag, you can identify that one. What list of files, everything. Now if you check, we have two tags. However, we have branches, right? We have two tags. Now if we want to delete the tag, okay, git tag hyphen d and the tag name. If you want to delete tag from local, it should be git tag hyphen d the tag name. If you check now, it should be only one tag only. Sorry, git tag. Currently we have one tag. If you want to delete the remote tag, okay, git push origin hyphen d and the tag name. If you want to delete the remote tag, so it will be deleted the remote tag. So this will be done, deleted the version v1.0. If you check now, git tag, currently only one version, the version v1.0 is deleted. So like this we can create the tag, we can show the tag information, and we can push the tag, we can delete the remote tags and local tags. So now one more question the people will ask, how to check out a tag. So basically we are not check out the tag. So while when we create a branch from the tag and we are into check out that branch. So now git checkout hyphen b branch I am going to create from the development. So I am creating the future x branch from the tag v1.0 1.1. See if you check now git tag, it should be having one tag. So from future branch, if you see git log hyphen hyphen one line hyphen n, I need to see only top 5 one. So this the latest head means the head means current branch, it is point to the latest commit ID. This head is pointed to future branch tag version, and the same commit it's having the master branch and develop branch. So like this we can check out the from the particular branch of the tag. Okay, can I create a tag from particular past commit id? So I have a commit id this one, so I don't want to, I need to create for the tag for this commit id. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that one. So if you want to create a particular commit commit id on the particular file, so we can create a tag, not only the latest one, we can create that whichever commit id if you want. For that one, git tag, the tag name I'm going to view version.2, and the commit id if you want to give this one, so it should be created. Now if you check git tag, it should be created this one. If you want to see version of this one, git show v1.2, see it have these changes, and it should be created for that commit id. So you can push this tag to the remote repository, git push origin v1.2. We can push all the tags at a time also using git push or git push hyphen hyphen tags. So it will push all the tags at a time. If you push individual tags, you just need to mention git push origin hyphen the tag name, not hyphen, the tag name. If you want to give some message of the commit id, you just need to give git tag and the tag name and the message. See, these are the steps which I have mentioned to check out the create a branch and git checkout to the branch. So we have created the tags with the git tag name. Example this one. So if you want to give some meaningful message, you just need to mention git tag hyphen a and the version and the message you need to give. And if you want to show the tag, git show and the tag, uh, git show and the tag name. If you want to push the tag to the remote repository, the command is git push origin and the tag name. If you want to push all the tags at once, you just need to use git push hyphen hyphen tags. To delete the tag, git tag the version. If you want to delete the tag from the remote repository, the command is git push origin and the tag name. Okay, so like this, whatever we have discussed about the tags, these are the information. Now if you see in the remote repository, there are two tags. Currently we have two tags. So to describe the tag, so tag is nothing but a reference of the current branch of the latest commit id. So we can we change the commit id of the tag? Yes, we can change that one. Okay, so that's all about in this session. Thanks for watching. Bye.